Ultra-long-distance linear light. It addresses pain points like complex wiring, limited load-bearing capacity for fixture installation, and low construction efficiency in super high-rise buildings, cable-stayed bridges, Ferris wheels, and similar structures. 48 volts ultra-long-distance power supply. 60 meters power supply coverage from the first light. 8 to 60 pixels per meter. Easy installation, reduced construction costs. Simply mount the fixture clips onto walls with screws. Snap the lights into place and connect them using male-female connectors. Easy daisy chaining, as shown in the animation. Each port supports up to 2048 pixels, and a single power feed can cascade up to 60 fixtures without any additional wiring in between. Install YD, Innovative Integrated Power and Control Box, in a suitable location on the building. Connect it directly to the first light via a male-female cable to deliver both power and signal in one go. Easy to install and maintain, these lights are ideal for skyscrapers, cable-stayed bridges, Ferris wheels, and other structures requiring long-distance power supply.